Most creators are still paying $30, $50, even $100 every single month just to generate AI videos. And somehow, they still deal with limited credits, watermarks, and monthly caps. But Google is quietly offering access to Veo 3.1 completely free inside a platform almost nobody's talking about. No fake free trials, no generate 4 videos and come back next month. I'm talking about real unlimited access to Google Veo 3.1. And the craziest part, this platform has been sitting right in front of all of us the whole time. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Right now, AI video generation is improving every month, but pricing is only getting worse. You finally find a good tool and then realize it comes with expensive subscriptions, limited generations, slow rendering, or locked premium features. And if you're creating long-form content, this becomes a serious issue, because one project usually needs multiple generations, different prompts, different scenes, and different styles, which means your credits disappear before your video is even finished. That's why creators are constantly searching for one thing, a free AI video tool that actually works. And this is where things get interesting. The tool is called Google Vids. Yes, Google's own platform. Most creators ignore it because, at first glance, it looks like a regular productivity or editing workspace. But hidden inside it is Google Veo 3.1, completely free. If you want to follow along, the tool link is in the description below, or you can simply search for Google Vids. Once you open it, you'll see multiple features and workspace tools, but for now, just go directly to the Veo 3.1 option, click it, and now you're ready to start generating videos using Google Veo 3.1 for free. What surprised me is that this platform is much more than just a generator. It also includes timeline editing, templates, captions, stock assets, and upload options for your own clips. So technically you can generate, edit, and export everything in one place without jumping between multiple tools. Now let me quickly show you the workflow. For prompts, I use ChatGPT to generate a few cinematic prompts, and today I'm testing several of them. Inside Veo 3.1, you get 2 main options: start from scratch, which is text to video, and animate an image, which is basically image to video. So if you already have an image you want to animate, choose that option. Otherwise, use start from scratch. For this first test, I pasted my prompt here, selected the aspect ratio, clicked generate, and waited about a minute. And unlike most paid tools, you're not stressing about wasting credits here, so you can actually experiment freely. Which is honestly a huge advantage. If this video saves you from paying another monthly AI subscription, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because I test tools like this every week so you don't waste time or money on the wrong ones. Now the video is ready, and the quality is actually impressive. If you don't like your first result, you can simply regenerate and try again. One thing that confused me at first is that your generated video appears inside a preview box, so you might think there's no download option. But don't worry, just click insert, and it sends the generated clip directly to the timeline. From there, preview your result, and once you're satisfied, export and download it as an MP4 file directly to your PC. You can even share your project link with others from here. I also generated 2 more videos using different prompts. And now, I'm displaying all generated clips on screen along with the prompts used, so you can judge the quality, motion, and prompt accuracy for yourself. And honestly, the results are surprisingly solid, especially considering this is completely free. Now let's test the second mode, image to video. For this, I switched to animate image, uploaded my image, pasted an animation prompt, clicked generate, and waited a few seconds. And here's the final result.
I used to exist only in imagination, but thanks to Decoded AI, now I can talk, smile, and be here with you.
This is especially useful if you create ads, faceless content, cinematic reels, short-form content, or story-based videos, because you can turn static images into moving scenes without leaving the platform. So if you're currently paying monthly for AI video tools, you might want to test this before renewing another subscription. Google Vids is quietly becoming one of the most underrated AI tools available right now. offering free access to Google Veo 3.1 with no monthly limits, no weird trial restrictions, and a surprisingly complete workflow. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments what AI video tool you're currently paying for, and I'll see you in the next one.